even Hive, if you have in a Hive query, that will be converted into Java program and it will be executing. So don't have the feasibility of all the functions. So sometimes we need to customize the functions. That means we need to use the already existing function, and then we need to write our own logic function, and then okay, let me open. We need to my document. This is my one program. Okay, so here I am going to explain you one simple scenario. Okay, for example, first of all, let me open. I have a one employee table. Okay, I have a one employee table, and I have some employee names. Okay, so I want to change my the employee names. Those are in small letters basically. Now I want to change them into caps letters. How can I change? So we don't have any that function in our Hive to convert from lowercase to uppercase. Okay. So we need to write some function on that. Okay. And then we need to create a one jar, and then we need to apply that jar on particular field, wherever particular field. Now let us starting this. For example, if you go here upside, yeah, see, I think you are able to see this data is. So I have a employee number and employee name. See here, my employee name is, it is in some small letters. Okay, it is in lower case. Now I need to convert that into uppercase. Okay, when I'm trying to execute it, it's when you select the data and applying this jar on particular field, it should display as a with uppercase letter, not with the lowercase letter. Okay, so that is why I have, okay, this is my program actually. Okay, so this is already one class. Okay, this is already a class in our Java. Okay, upper UDF. So I am going to extend this UDF, and when you are going to see this UDF is belongs to actually this one. This is the, okay, this is the library. This is the library. It contains this class. Okay, it contains this class. Basically these are the libraries. Why we need to import the libraries means, in the below classes we are going to use those libraries, because the base classes, this is a base class. Okay, basically this is a base class, and this is this is our own defined class. Upper UDF is our own defined class, and UDF is one class in this one. What happened? Okay. this UDF is base class, okay, and this is our own defined class. And now I am going to write, I am going to define my own function here, okay. Public text evaluate, this is function name, okay, and this is text. See, in our MapReduce we don't have the concept called string, okay. String is usually in Java we have a string, but in MapReduce we don't have a string because this is a MapReduce program, but we are it will be automatically converted into a MapReduce program once we applied on this. Okay, so that is why argument is text I am passing, okay, and the we are giving some variable to that. CSC is a variable, that is your employee number is going to be passing into that, okay. It is like array, it is employee number is passing through that. Yes, if s equal to null, then it is not going to do anything, okay. It is written null, okay, it is written null. If, okay, if employee name is, okay, if employee name is there, that means it has some value, it is converted into this one. This is the original return function actually. S dot to string to S dot to uppercase, so that string is converted into uppercase, okay. That string is going to be converted into uppercase. This is our program. So for this you need to add some external jars also, some Hive common jars we have it, we need to add those jars into if you are trying to execute it. So now I am going to, first of all, let me go to this thing. New project, Java project. Next, I'm going to give some name BATCH 1100 batch 1100. And I'm going to give some package name. Package name is, I have this package name I'm going to use. This is my package name. This is your wish. What is the name you want, you can give it, but make sure that it should not start with caps letter. It's huh? Okay. So now I'm going to have a class also. So I'm going to, so my class name is upper UDF. Okay. Now, so is everybody understood this logic? It is just a simple function. Nothing is there. It is evaluate is a one function. Okay. And here it is returning. See, this is the logic actually. The string is going to be converted into uppercase. See, everybody got it, or any confusion or something else is there?
I understand.
Yeah. Okay. If you see it here, you are getting so many errors because here these two are Hadoop related, okay, Hadoop related libraries. So we need to add Hadoop related libraries to this one. Okay. So we'll add it. Now control S, and I'm going to build path, configure build path, libraries, add external jars. Okay. You have so many jars here. Mm, mm, Still it is not going. So I'm looking for a Hive jar. We have a one Hive common jar. We have it. Mm, Still it is not going. Okay, now we need to add some. That Hive jar is fine, and I need to add Hadoop MapReduce related jar. See, why I'm adding one by one is, if I add all of them, uh, it will take so much time to execute our program. That is why, so I'm adding whatever the required jars. Okay. See, suppose if I added all of them like this, what will happen is it will go off. It will take some time, and even for executing also, it will take some time. Okay. If you see it, I don't have any errors because I added see all the jars, all Hadoop related jars. But see, usually this is the process. We need to add all the jars, but it will take some time even to execute our program because it has to find out. Okay. So now when I create the jar, it will take some time even to uh, to export the jar. If I know the the required jar, so which jar is compatible to this program, then that is very good if we can find it. Okay, rather than adding all of them. Now I'm going to create a jar file. I think already people know how to create a jar file. And you can give the jar name. So I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to give some upper UDF. I'm going to give upper UDF. Upper UDF, my jar name. Okay, finish it. Now let me check whether it is there or not. LS BATCH 1100. So upper UDF jar is there. Now we can change the mode. Change mode 777 upper. Where it is? It is in BATCH 1100 slash upper UDF dot jar. Okay. So now if you check it, see, if it is in red color, it don't have permissions, okay, to execute it. Suppose if it is in green color, we have a permissions to execute it. Okay. So now we need to apply this jar on our Hive table. First of all, you need to add this jar. Okay, first of all, you need to do add this jar into your Hive home path. Hive home path. Okay, so I will go to the Hive. No, you need to give this command add jar, your jar name. Where it is? It is in BATCH 1100 and upper UDF jar. Okay. If you add it, it will be adding into Hive home path. Wherever Hive is installed, it is going to there and it will be installing there. does not exist. Batch 11 0 0 upper oh sorry JAR. Okay, if you see it here, added to jar. Okay, this class path and this. Now you need to create a one temporary function for this. Okay, you need to create one temporary function for this UDF. Okay, like this. How you are going to create it is with the package name. My package name is this one, com.mat.hive.udf, and the class name. This is my class name. So when you are going to execute MapReduce program, how you are mentioning Hadoop space jar, the command is okay, Hadoop space -jar, okay, space jar, and then you need to give the jar name. There the jar is existed, and you are going to pass input directory and output directory. Okay, before that, after the jar, you are passing package name dot class name. So with the package name dot class name, you need to create one temporary function. Okay, once you created this temporary function, so that function you need to use it. So it is already jar is added to class path. So now you can directly execute this one. So temporary function myupper is created. Okay. Now how you can apply is select first of all show tables. Minus customers DEPT EMP are there. Okay. First of all, describe EMP. You have a name, all of them, and you have okay. Name is there. First of all, let me select without applying any function. Select star from EMP. So I have a some small letters. Okay, Rami, Anji, Anant, like this. Now select. Okay, select. I'm going to give function my upper space, my upper name from EMP. If you see it here, it is displayed as in uppercase. You got it? Wherever if you want, you can apply. Wherever even the department customers, okay, DESA on customer table is there. Customers. Select star from some customer. This is some other data. Okay. Select test DESC EMP DET. Okay, select star from EMP DET. Nothing, I don't have any data. Select star from DEPT. Okay, even I have it here. Now DESC DEPT. First, let me check what is the field name. Okay, department name and location also. Now I am going to apply on both of them. Select my upper DEPT number, comma, and my upper DEPT name from DEPT. Okay, so I have, okay, and I'm going to give location instead of this thing. I can give LOC. Yeah, see, wherever it is not related to any table or something. Okay, in wherever the table, whatever the table you want, you can use it. Your requirement is you are just it wanted to convert from lowercase to uppercase. You got it? It's it's clear for everybody?
It was mostly clear. I'm probably gonna have to review the VOD to be positive.
Yeah. Hello. I'm getting some now it is okay. Can you speak out because I'm getting some noise from, I think, I don't know from who. Whether it is Ankur.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I think I'm getting some noise from your end. So
Oh.
here, so you got clear, or you have any issues, or you have any questions or some?
I'll be responding in the chat to avoid room noise.
Yeah, I'm just checking where I can. Yeah, just a give minute. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Sandeep, are you clear with that? Mahendra and Sandeep.
Yeah, I'm clear.
Yeah, Sandeep. Okay. So in the same way, we have a pig UDF also. Okay. Let me explain that also. That is also same. There is nothing. It is the same procedure. Okay. The same procedure even for uh, this thing also. Just let me check in my box. I have a. See, this is the procedure. It has clearly now written here. Okay, I will share this document to you guys how to do this. Okay. So first of all, let me okay. So the same process how we have done for Hive. So let us create one project, new project. Next project name is some batch 1130. And create some package. So we'll give the package name. Let me open my program here. The package name, whatever you want, you can give it. No one is going to uh, tell anything. Whatever you wish, you can give your package name. So this is my package name. So this is also same program. You can, but here inside the logic, this function is different. Whereas in Hive function, the logic is different. Okay. You can create a class also. The class will be upper. You can have it as a upper. Okay. Now I'm going to explain the program. Now here these are all import libraries that you are going to use in your this thing. These are all pig related libraries. These are all pig related libraries, and this is evolution function is a already existing function in the pig. We are going to use these properties or features, and we are going to implement this. Okay, public string execution. You are giving public string exec and tuple input. You are passing as input. Input is a, you are passing as a bag actually. Okay, so I think for some of you people pig was not done. Yes, so once you completed, I think for mm, Ankur and Sandeep, you have not completed pig. Am I correct? So once you completed pig, then you can understand. Okay, anyway, in the pig also the same process. Okay, pigs will be, the data is going to be passing through the, in such a way called in the form of some bags, like a table only. Okay, so I think better after pig we can discuss this thing, I guess. That is better. Otherwise, you will get confused. What is again, something called this thing transformations and variables. So you people will get confused. So can I go ahead or we'll wait for until pig? Actually, pig is another ecosystem. So I thought you will get confused if I go ahead with this thing. I think Mahendra knows about bag that and all, but you people don't know what is bag, those kind of areas. So what you can say? I think can we go ahead because you should know what is a bag that and all here. That is what I'm thinking. Okay, let me go through this. See, usually pig is like some transformation language. Okay, so here a pig is some kind of transformation. See here, I have some data, sample data I have it. Okay, I'm having some sample data. Okay, it has some log ID, for example. Now I have uploaded the data. I need to load the data into this variable actually. Okay, like it is a table in our hive. Okay, but in the pig it is a bag. So we need to load the data into some variable, and we need for each and every operation you need to create a one variable. For each and every operation you need to create one variable, and you are going to apply your UDF on some particular field. This is a field usually. Okay, so then you need to select dump like select star from dump is a one word in the pig to retrieve your data. So this is what big. Okay, let me go through it again. When the time comes, again we will discuss. Okay, again we'll repeat the same thing. No worries. So usually this is the logic. If input equal to null, okay, then it is giving null only. If string equal to something is there, okay, then it is converting directly to uppercase. It is also by default predefined, some function inside the pig, okay, to uppercase. So automatically the string is converted into uppercase. Just I'm copying this. Okay. So for this also we need to add the external jars because I added other than non-Java related libraries here. Okay, these are all non-Java related libraries. Okay, these two are non-Java because if you see it here, it is showing error, but it is not showing on the Java related library. So I'm going to add the libraries build configure path. So I'm adding all of them. Okay. So I need to export this jar. So I'm giving upper UDF underscore P. Okay, I'm just giving P upper UDF P pig. Okay, whatever the name you want, you can give it. That is not a problem. So clear it. LSBATCH 1100 change mode 777 BATCH 1100 slash up UDF1 UDFP dot jar. So it is there. Now go to pick. You need to there in Hive we added in the pig you need to register it actually. Okay, in the pig you need to register, whereas uh, in the Hive we added. Only the difference is in the pig you need to register, whereas in the Hive you need to add it. Register equal to so where is your jar? It is in BATCH 1100 slash you need to give upper UDFP dot jar. Somewhere. What is our jar name? unexpected internal error chart or recurrent unexpected internal errors. Slash home slash cloud error. Mhm. Okay, it is added. If you see it here, it is added. That means we don't have any error. It is added into that. Now here our requirement is, first of all, let me find any data is existed here in our local. Okay, I have some department.txt cat dept.txt. I have some data here. I am going to create one schema for this. A equal to load dept.txt using big storage using big, okay, as you need to mention the single quotes. This is my file name as some DEPT number char array. Okay, forget about this because you won't understand this. Just I'm to execute this, I'm giving this department number, department name, location, D name, char array, location, again char array. Let me check dump A. This is like select star. It is failed. It is failed to read data from dept.txt because not using, you need to give using big hyphen storage slash t. Slash t is tab delimited data. Tab delimited data. It is not reading from the user cloud or DEPTC. We have the data in DEPT only. Cat emp.txt. lsbatch 1100. Okay, let me do one thing. I have a same data in my batch also, BATCH 1100 slash dept.txt. It is in comma separated basically. The data using big storage. Some problem is there in this cluster. Something is not running. I don't know where is the problem. Using peak storage as DAPT number, everything is correct. Load using also correct. Yes. Okay, it is not running. Some problem is there with the file. Okay. So this is the process actually. Okay. So somewhere it is not picking the file. Even the file is there, but it is not picking. Batch 1100 dept.txt. We have it actually. File we have it. Oh, I got it. It is, we are running in MapReduce mode, but our file is in local. That is why it is not running. If you want to run it, you need to run like this, pgfnx local. Yeah, this is the data actually. Okay, now I think we need to, okay. Now you can apply some function on this, wherever it is, my UDF, on DEPT name I will apply. So be equal to, for each age generate be okay, be equal to, for each a generate, for each a generate, what is our package name and class name? My UDFs dot upper, my UDFs dot upper. So we were going to do on D name. pattern of A. A generate pattern of A. So we need to apply in the same way. Log ID spelling is wrong. Not resolve my UDFs dot upper using imports. I think somewhere some problem is there here. Oh, caps upper. It is unable to resolve the issue. HA generate my UDFs dot upper location. First of all, describe A. D name location be equal to for each A my UDFs dot upper. I'm going to give D name. Oh, I didn't add it. Add slash, okay, add BATCH 1100 slash upper UDFP dot jar. I didn't add it. This is the problem. Slash register okay, it is registered. Dump B. Yeah, if you see it here, it's become into caps letter. Okay. Now, so now we will not understand this. When pig came into picture, then you will understand. Okay, forget about this, but just to heads up, I explained you this. Okay. Yeah, he will send you the recording, Ankur. I will let him know. Okay. Okay, man. I'm done for today. We are going to start tomorrow pig. Then and we will discuss about UDFs once the pig is done. Don't worry about that. Okay, pig UDFs is a little bit tricky. Then we'll revise again. As Sandeep needed, we'll revise again. No issues. Okay? Yeah. Hey, I'm getting very noise, man, from your end. I don't know why. From see, even Ankur and everything is fine. Are you having mic or you are hearing through a loudspeaker without? Okay, but so can you type your question there because I'm not getting what you are trying to say.